Hey, what's going on, guys? We're going to be doing a quick rear shock replacement on a 2015 through 2020 Cadillac Escalade. That's the same for the Yukon and the Suburban 2015 through 2020. These are known, well, mine has the magnetic ride. They're known, the rear shocks are known to lock up, and this particular shock is completely seized. It's there's no give to it, so it's locked up. I went ahead and wanted to replace both of them just because they're known to go out. I went to the dealer and see how much they cost, and they wanted $650 a piece at the dealer. Went on Amazon, got both of them for 450 bucks. They had some good reviews, so I'm gonna try them out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The tools you'll need for this job is a 22 millimeter to take the wheel off. You also want to remove the wheel liner partially. It's got some 7 millimeter bolts right here. 2 torque bits and 1 clip. So you're gonna need a T10, 7 millimeter. The bolts on the shocks are both 21 millimeter, so you're gonna need a 21 millimeter wrench and a 21 millimeter socket. And some needle nose. That's pretty much it. So 21 millimeter down here, the valve for the air shock, the clip for the magnetic ride, 21 millimeter up here. That's this is the new one I got off Amazon. I'll make sure and leave a link in the description. Like I mentioned earlier, these are about $200 a piece, $180 a piece, versus $650 at the dealer. So this is the valve for the air shock. So this is the clip right here. There goes that compressor. Compressor just kicked on. I waited to go ahead and put on these liners on, make sure it's not leaking. think we're good, guys.